Running a clash test. Step 1. Add a new test. Click Add Test to create a new test entry. Step 2. Network selection. In the Select tab, under Pipe Networks and Pressure Networks, use the list box to choose the networks. You can run checks between different network types or within the same network for both gravity and pressure networks. At the bottom of the list boxes, you'll find 3 buttons. Select All selects all networks. Clear Selection clears any selected networks. Select from Drawing lets you pick a network directly from the drawing. Step 3. Select Clash Type. After selecting the networks, choose whether to check for hard clashes or clearance. If clearance is selected, input the required distance in the clearance distance box. Managing clash tests, you will see the list of clash tests. Below the list, you can manage your tests using the following buttons. Add Test adds a new test entry. Rerun reruns the selected test, updating any results. Reset resets the selected test, deleting all results and detected clashes. Rename renames the selected test. Delete deletes the selected test from the list. Additionally, you can also manage your tests by right-clicking on a test entry, which will provide options for the same actions listed above. Analyzing the results. Step 1. View clashes. After the test completes, switch to the Results tab. The table will display the clashes, showing detailed information such as distance between networks, clash description and status, parts of the network involved, for example, pipe parts, network parts, the exact location of the clash in the drawing. Step 2. Change clash status. You can change the status of a clash from the drop-down list. Choose from the following options: New, Active, Reviewed, Approved, or Resolved. Step 3. Zoom to clashes. You can zoom directly to the clash location by selecting an entry in the results table. If you want to select the clash pipes, right-click on the selected entry and choose Select from the menu. Annotating clashes. Step 1. Add labels and spheres. In the Annotation tab, you can add visual markers to highlight the clash areas. Add sphere. Place spheres at the clash points to visually mark them. Customize the size, radius, and color of the sphere. Add text. Label the clash areas with custom text. Adjust the layer, height, color, and style to fit your project's needs. You can customize how clashes are labeled in your Civil 3D model by modifying the label settings. In the Annotation tab, you can add test name, clash name, distance, description, status, found, location, network part 1, network part 2, pipe part 1, pipe part 2. Step 3. Manage annotations. Add multiple annotations to better document the clashes. Use the Delete Annotation or Delete All Annotation buttons to manage the labels and spheres. Generating a report. To create a detailed record of the clashes, switch to the Report tab. Click Export to export a clash report in HTML format. The report will contain all the information. Exporting and importing. The add-in allows users to save all information, including clash tests, clash results, and clash settings. Click the Save to File button to save the information to a file. Use the Open from File button to load the saved information back into the add-in. This feature makes it easy to save, share, or review clash results at any time.